Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's breakdown, we're exploring another refined configuration of the Milky Way indicator by Indiversum. This one's designed for traders who want clean structure, strong confirmations, and a solid risk/reward foundation. What makes this setup stand out is the synergy between the FVG trend filter and the Saman entry confirmation. It gives us the clarity to trade both directions effectively while still maintaining precision and discipline. Let's start with the general settings. The trade direction is set to both, so we're prepared for moves in either direction. As usual, we're working on the futures market for that extra volatility and leverage potential. One important part of this configuration is that kamikaze mode is enabled. This allows the strategy to fire off multiple entries quickly when the trend aligns in our favor. Instead of relying on a single signal, it stacks into strength, which helps us capitalize on momentum bursts more effectively. Moving on to the indicator selector section, for our trend indicator, we're using FVG, which gives us clean, momentum-based trend detection. And for the entry, we're pairing it with Saman, which we'll break down shortly. Together, they create a tight, reliable entry system. Speaking of FVG, let's talk about the FVG trend settings. The look-back period is set to 30, with the type selected as FVG count and a multiplier of 0.25. These settings help keep the trend filter responsive without overreacting to short-term noise, allowing us to ride broader moves while still staying agile. Now to the Saman settings, which control how our entries get confirmed. We're using EMA as the base type, with a length of 8 and a duration of 20. This configuration gives us a smooth but responsive trigger, great for catching continuation trades without getting chopped up. Let's slide into dilution settings. The multiplier is set to 1.5, and the percentage is 1, so the system adds to positions in a controlled way, scaling gradually rather than going full tilt. This keeps risk exposure more manageable while still increasing size when conditions are favorable. Take profit is locked in at 1%, which fits well with the kamikaze approach. We're not hunting massive swings here. We're targeting repeatable, fast exits to keep turnover high and risk compact. Finally, the money management section. We're starting with $1,500 in capital, allocating $100 per trade, and using 10x leverage. The fee is set to 0.22% as usual. It's a straightforward, lean setup with small position sizing and frequent trades that aim to stack up gains over time. Now here's the real kicker. With these settings, we generated a total profit of $2,019.40, which is a 134.63% return. Even more impressive, the long win rate came in at 85%, and the short win rate was 82%. Extremely solid for a setup that trades this actively. So if you're looking for a smart, balanced strategy that gives you quick entries and fast exits without being overly aggressive, this Milky Way setup might be a perfect fit. Stick around for more deep dives like this, and I'll see you in the next one.